Welcome back to the Pterodactyl. Tower 587 is coming in. Leader is 912. No call for their signal, but they did call them out 85. Don't know why, but... And 568's right there. If you haven't checked out that video yet, of them coming into the siding from HCL, go check that out if you are interested. Because they had those two engines going long hood forward. I really suggest you watch it. Really cold with the wind today.
Your attention please. This is the final boarding call for via train number 87, bound for Sarnia, with stops at St. Mary's, London, Strathroy, and Wyoming, on track number 1. Thank you. Votre attention s'il vous plaît. Dernier appel pour l'embarquement du train via numéro 87 à destination de Sarnia, qui s'arrêtera à
Honk.
St. Mary's, London.
Flight 24 you enter CTC at Shapley, and slow signal. He's done out.
Merci.
We got one honk from the crew. We'll see who's on board. I guess because I think I missed Chase last night on 88.
Your attention, please. We would like to remind Via Rail Canada
Let's see who we got on board today.
For your safety and security, please do not leave your belongings unattended.
Because he's got one honk. At 87 here with 912. Another couple honks. Who can be on board? Let's see. Didn't see I chased anything like that. 3474, 3342, 3304. And then we'll get that last one as soon as they leave. That was a pretty nice crew with those honks. What a buzz. And away they go.
Station 8881 crossing activated.
Crossing's already down. They haven't got the closest pier yet. There's that second coach now goes up. There we go. Ooh. Might not even been on that channel because I heard right side. I don't know. Must have forgot to lock it in. Whoopsies. Yeah. Must have forgot to lock in. Those kinds of things happen. Last coach is 3323. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you guys in the next video.
Location 8861, crossing deactivated.